Just has to pop off. Ooh, don't do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Kimball Project. So today I got a little bit of a problem with our with the windshield wipers in the 2013 Ford Explorer. So for some reason it will not shut off. It just keeps going on like the lowest setting just every once in a while. Just one of the most irritating things I've ever experienced. I'm driving down the road, no rain, and the windshield wiper just goes. It is annoying. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to replace the switch, the little arm that comes out of the steering wheel. I think it's this guy right here. So I'm going to replace this. Should be fairly simple, fairly easy. You just got to pull off the cover on the steering wheel and unscrew the switch and get it out. But here's what it's doing. Just every once in a while it does this right here, just on the slowest interval. It is enough to make you crazy. Just driving down the road and all of a sudden that happens. So we're gonna fix it. Okay, so there's two bolts underneath here. One's right here and the other one is underneath this little lever right here. There it is. So we're gonna undo those two bolts right there. Where's that? Right there. We're gonna undo those two bolts and pull off the cover. So here we go. So these bolts right here are 7mm bolts. Okay, so there's a tab right here that has to be pressed in. I believe there's one on the other side. You press them in and the top should pop off. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie about this. It's a little bit trickier than I thought it was gonna be. I thought the top was gonna pop right off, but it didn't. Now I'm trying to pry it up because I know there's clips in there. Okay, so the clips are in there pretty good. I kind of have to press them in there. There we go. There we go. So now, there we go. Okay. So now the top just comes off, or maybe not comes off, but you can at least flip it up out of the way. Okay, so now you can see the switch right here. It has two of these little tiny bolts. I think they're T10s. See, there's one over there. Yeah, you see there's one right there and there's one right there. We gotta take those off to get the switch out. Oh, my bad, there's actually another screw right down in there. I didn't even see that one. After you get that other screw, it just pulls straight out. And that's it. Here's the new one. model number. Just got to push it back in. Put the screws back in. Okay, so I got the new switch in. Got the screws back in, so I'm just going to turn it on and make sure that it worked. Okay, so let's see if they come on. I think it's good to go. Fixed. Now we just gotta put it back together. Down. Screws back in. Okay guys, so that was it. Super simple. I mean, that was probably my quickest project so far. Usually stuff takes me a long time for some reason. But that was super simple. The part was cheap. It was only like 29 bucks on Amazon or something. It's brand new from Motocraft. So it's the original piece that was in there. So super easy, save some money. I don't know how much it would have cost to take it to a dealer and have them fix it and troubleshoot it. Probably a lot more than $30. So just want to encourage you, you know, even though, I mean, I've never done that before, so that was my first time, but it was easy. So, I mean, it took me a little bit to get clips out. I had to figure out what was going on, but after that, everything went in easy and it was good to go. So just want to encourage you, you know, save time and money, and well, maybe not time, but definitely can save some money just doing it yourself. So until next time, I'll see you later.